Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making baked potatoes with salmon cream. It's so tasty and easy, perfect for iftar. It's a filling food but not a heavy food. So let's start. We need 8 to 10 medium-sized potatoes. Wash them properly. Make holes in whole potatoes with fork like this. Now I will add 4 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 1 tablespoon paprika powder. Now I will put them on baking tray. Make sure to use butter paper. Preheat your oven and bake them on 200 centigrade up down heat for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare its salmon cream. So let's start. For salmon cream, we need 4 tablespoon cream cheese, 2 tablespoon sour cream and 2 tablespoon plain yogurt. Mix them well. The combination of these things creates an amazing taste. Trust me. Now I will add half red onion chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, and 2 strings of green onions green. Now I will add 4 slices of smoked salmon cut in small pieces, 8 fresh basil leaves. It's optional but I really like its fragrance. Now we will add 1/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes. Mix well. Smoky salmon cream filling is ready. Potatoes are also ready. So let's assemble it. Potatoes are really crispy from outside and soft from inside. Cut potato like this, not too deep, and fill its prepared smoky salmon cream filling. I always want to have more and more fillings because it's so tasty and my all-time favorite food. Fill it and sprinkle some chili flakes and dry coriander and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! I always make this in Ramazan. I'm gonna do it in this Ramazan too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to us cooking. Allah Hafiz.